Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. Today we will read Surah Al-Falaq with proper tajweed and care. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق. Here we bold the qaf. Whenever in the colorful Quran Majid green color comes, we bold the letter. So we bold qaf and ayn. Ayn pronounced from the upper part of throat. Birabbil falaq ra. When ra have fatha sign, we will bold the ra. Min sharri ma khalaq. Min. We do gunna on noon because noon has jazm and we bold the kha and qaf. Kha pronounced from the upper part of throat. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ. We bold the ghain and qaf and dal. Dal pronounced softly. This one dal pronounced very softly. Waqab. We do qalqala on ba. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. Sharrin. Here we do not bold the ra because ra has kasra sign. Naffathati. Fa and tha has standing fatha sign. So we stretch it up to two harkat or up to two alif. Fil uqad. Ain. Ain pronounced from the middle part of throat. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. Ha. This one ha pronounced from the middle part of throat. And dal. We do qalqala on dal because dal has blue color. In the colorful Quran Majid, we do gunna on pink color, we bold the letter on teen color, we do qalqala on blue color, and we do ikhfa on yellow color. So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.